ailing, sick, unwell, or in poor health. She was ailing, that's why I did not go to work. Baggy, loose, not tight-fitting usually for clothes. I wore baggy pants yesterday. Contradict, to say the opposite of what someone else has said, or to disagree with something by saying it is not true. I did not contradict him in the meeting. Edible, safe to eat or something you can eat. There are some edible for cooking in the kitchen. Plead, to ask for something in a very emotional or serious way. To beg or request strongly. She pleaded to me for a chance. Reckless, doing something without thinking about the danger or consequences. They are reckless driver. Revive, to bring something back to life or make it active again. He revived his friend on the road. Steep, to soak in liquid to extract flavor or soften. I steeped tea bag in hot water for 3 minutes. Torrid, very hot and dry, usually about weather or climate. He couldn't walk in the torrid heat of the afternoon. Twitch, to make a small, sudden movement, usually one that you cannot control. Her eye is twitching. Withhold, to keep something back or not give something to someone, usually on purpose. The boss withheld all information.